Creating a safe and healthy learning environment is crucial for the success and well-being of students and teachers. The Airwise Smart Wi-Fi Indoor Air Quality Monitor for schools is a sophisticated solution designed to ensure that classrooms maintain optimal air quality. With its multi-sensor technology, this device provides comprehensive monitoring, ensuring that every breath taken in the classroom is a healthy one. The Airwise monitor is equipped with an array of sensors that detect various air quality factors, including particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, carbon dioxide, CO2 levels, and humidity. This detailed monitoring allows schools to identify and address potential air quality issues before they can impact the health and performance of students and teachers. Teacher alerts are a key feature of the Airwise system. When the monitor detects suboptimal air quality, it sends immediate notifications to teachers' smartphones. This prompt alert system enables quick action to improve air quality, whether it's adjusting the ventilation, opening windows, or addressing a specific source of pollution. The Airwise monitor also contributes to student health tracking. By continuously monitoring air quality, it provides valuable data that can be correlated with student health and performance. This information can help school administrators make informed decisions about their HVAC systems and overall air quality management strategies, ultimately leading to healthier and more productive learning environments. For schools committed to safeguarding the health and well-being of their students and staff, the Airwise Smart Wi-Fi Indoor Air Quality Monitor is an indispensable tool. It represents a proactive approach to maintaining classroom safety and ensuring that every student can learn in a healthy environment. To discover more about how the Airwise monitor can benefit your school, please feel free to reach out to me. You can find my contact information on my page, and I'll respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Together, we can create healthier, safer classrooms with Airwise.